and we found this place, and there's a floating fence right there. It's not connected to anything. And then this weird lean-to structure, and there's a shovel there. Over there, there's a digger thing, and a huge pile of dirt. So, it's pretty interesting. Horses for like the second time today. There's that one, this one. I'm so happy. Cat in this window, and I was petting it through the like this on the glass, and it's purring and eating. And then Roxy showed up. Roxy showed up and scared it away. It almost fell off the windowsill, but this is a cute cat. Good cat. We're at the Saguaro National Park. And the view is amazing. What do you think, Roxy? You like it? You having fun? I think she likes it.